Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's May 23rd, 2019, about 7:04 in the evening, and I'm looking at this giant whale turd sitting in the sky here. Nothing to do with natural clouds. Take a look above this. Look at this, guys. Look at this beautiful sunset here. Then you go back here, get a mixture of black, white clouds, fallout coming from all of this. Over here, let's take a look at this. I'm doing a little tour of the sky here. Very natural stuff going on here. Look at the combination here. Black right next to white. How does that work? You know, either it's going to rain or it's not. What the hell's going on here? Come on, guys, pay attention to the sky. This is where the information is. Look at this creepy crawler crap up in here. Oh yeah, very natural. Over here, you can't see it. I don't think you can see it very well, but there's actually some orange in this. So there's definitely a bunch of different, I would say, chemicals in there to make this sky look as totally sick as it looks. Look at this. All of it is just, everything about it is wrong. Look at this. It's like roadkill. Oh, guys, pay attention to the sky. I know a lot of you are waking up and all that stuff, but there's something going on here that's just not quite, I don't want to say not human, but you know what I'm thinking. I mean, come on, that's clouds right there, really? Mm-hmm. Sure, I'm buying it. Okay, I just had to share this lovely moment of fakeness with you. Let me see, what else can I see here? Yeah, it's a whole museum of horse shit. This is lovely here. This would make a nice California postcard. We have white clouds and we have black clouds. Yeah, okay. Good. Where's the meteorologist right now? I want you to explain this crap. I really do. All right. I guess we've seen enough here, haven't we? Look at this tar pit. All right. Take care, guys.